Hey, Geroge, I behave Ancient Monkey. I found you to it. Smash battle for the past 3 days.
It's a monkey. I will beat your ass. You're gonna fucking go die. You're gonna go like ah. We're gonna go like ah. You're gonna go like ah. Alright, where's go?
Okay, so I'm gonna choose. Okay, so I'm gonna choose. Spammy. That's garbage. He's garbage. You know who I'm gonna choose? I'm gonna choose the best character in the game. Okay, it's gonna happen. It will happen. I almost got it. It's not like my Joy-Cons are shit. Got it. Ugh. No, I didn't ask for Telecom! Okay, so Ancient Monkey will do this now. Little shit. Alright, I'm ready. For the ultimate wombo combo. Okay, ready? Alright. Let's do the ultimate. Let's see what you can do. Alright, I'm ready. Let's go. Wait, my controller! I wasn't looking at the screen, okay? Now let me yeah. I'm gonna do some shit. Okay, you sure you're good? Yeah. Hey, that's cheating. That's illegal. No. Okay, you know what? I'm done with you. Okay, Ancient Monkey is not gonna lose this shit. Ready? This is the ultimate trick, and you're never gonna beat me there. Okay. Haha, he's never gonna fall for it. See? He never will fall for it. Bullshit! Now, I'm done with this game. This is kids. Alright, kids. Now you learned your lesson. You just learned from this shitty video that King K. Rool is for people that don't know how to fucking play the game. Besides Ganondorf, because he's shitty. That's, yeah. So, just kidding. It's just a prank, bro. Yeah. Just a prank, bro. P.S. Don't use Little Mac.